To bypass Forgotten screen lock on Redmi A5, let me quickly show you how you can do this. Basically, you'll have to enter the recovery mode. So first of all, you'll have to turn off your phone. You can do it either by pressing and holding the power button or simultaneously pressing the volume up button and power button, and this will turn on the power menu. From here, you'll have to turn off your phone. So let's press power off button, and from here, let's wait a couple of seconds so we are sure that the phone is completely shut down. From here, what you have to do next is you have to press and hold simultaneously the power button and volume up button until the phone will go enter recovery mode. So let me just show you how you can do this. You'll have to press and hold these two buttons, volume up button and power button. Let's press them simultaneously and hold. Keep on holding, and at this time there should appear 2 times this Xiaomi logo. This is the first time this logo appears, and right here is the second time. Keep on holding. You have to keep on holding these 2 buttons and until the screen basically goes black, and right here you will see this Android recovery. From here you are able to release these buttons, and now you are in the recovery mode. From here you can perform the factory reset of your phone. This unfortunately will erase all of the data which is on your phone, which contains the videos, pictures, applications and some other stuff, but this is the only way to actually bypass the Forgotten screen lock. So unfortunately also there is a very dark screen for some reason, so it's hard to see. I hope you will be able to see it clearly on the video. And let's see, right here we have this option, you can find it. Now you can navigate through this recovery mode using the volume down, volume buttons. As you can see, as you press volume down button, you're going down. As you press volume up button, you are going up. And simply go for the, let me just show you. You have to find the wipe data factory reset. You will be able to see this on your phone. And after that, you have to press this power button. This is actually to accept, to enter, to perform any action. And from here, there is this then you have to press the volume down button, and here is the factory data reset. From here you'll have to press this power button again, and this should begin with the factory reset of your phone. After the factory reset is actually complete, the phone will be rebooted and will enter the first setup screen. So this is how to bypass Forgotten screen lock on the Redmi A5.